You may be seated. Need to end this show. Which one? Court does call the case. People versus Glenisha Warner.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
Who?
We have any kind of disposition on it. You know what's going to happen.
Warner, can you state your name, please?
Glenisha Warner.
Thank you.
We're ready in this matter. Honor Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief, and written on behalf of Ms. Warner.
All right, what are we doing about this?
We will be setting this matter for preliminary examination.
All right, discovery is complete to your knowledge. And Ms. Warner, what facility are you in? You're at Huron Valley, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So preliminary examination. I'm sorry?
Can I get permission to speak?
Go ahead. What do you want to tell me?
I do not want my lawyer to come in this prison to speak with me because, Can you hear me?
Say again. Say again.
I cannot have my lawyer come in here and speak.
Why?
Because these cameras in here is very dangerous. Like the cameras is gonna tell you what it is with me, like what he's doing for me. So I got these appeal papers and they like very dangerous, and this is why this court is going on because they are
Ms.
charging
Warner?
me. Yes.
Ms. Warner?
Hold on. Go ahead, Mr. Warren Green.
Your Honor, I understand that when we previously visited her, it was a little less than private. So I think Ms. Warner and I will be able to have a private discussion before the examination. I think Mr. Brown,
Oh, okay. So what you went up there to visit and there were other people around.
the last time someone from our office went, yes, it was.
It was so, okay. Gotcha. Okay. So hopefully they're aware of that. And so they're going to try to solve that whole problem. Okay.
Yeah, I gotta get out this prison.
Okay. Hold on a moment. The date we're setting at this point is 26. All right. I'll set your preliminary examination for September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge. Second? No. It's got to be Judge Freshour. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you.
Here comes the video evidence, arguably the star witness in modern trials, because cameras don't forget, even if people do.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Hunter Range.
Ashley Messer for the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis, on behalf of Mr. Range. Your Honor, I did everything I could to reach out to Mr. Range and have not heard a response.
Not here.
Not to my knowledge, Your Honor, I had no explanation for his failure to appear.
How much is currently owing,
Your Honor,
Attorney General?
let me get an accurate number here. He owes $5,690.
All right.
Your Honor, I believe that should be adjusted though, because I believe he did post a bond in this case, so I would assume that that would get applied to the amount
Well,
that's.
I'm going to assume it's already been applied because,
Your Honor,
Well-
it has not yet been applied, but it could be if the court, I could present the court with an order.
got it. Okay. Well, somebody can take that into account, irrespective of the fact he's not here. So if it just becomes about math, then bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $5,690 cash only. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Annie Oglesby.
Ashley Douglas for the people.
Actually, Oglesby.
Good afternoon, Tina Sachs on behalf of Miss Oglesby.
She here? Oh, there she is. Ma'am, can you state your name? You'll have to unmute, otherwise we'll just keep butchering it. There you
Sorry,
go.
can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Annie-
you now.
Annie Oglesby?
Oglesby. All right. All right.
Yeah,
What are we
it's
doing?
It's a tongue twister.
Your Honor, I'm asking for an adjournment. I got some discovery, but the way it's written, it looks like there may be one police report missing. So I did email discovery and Ms. Felties about that. So a short.
I'm a bit. She has not been over to community corrections. I have a probation violation. She really shouldn't be permitted to appear via Zoom today because I've got a violation. She has not gone over to community corrections.
And Your Honor, the people are
I
in receipt of that
just-
as well. I will note for the record, I do believe Ms. Saxon had let me know the defendant had been incarcerated for about like a week. And so she just got out a couple days ago. I saw that same violation.
Got it.
That's the
Okay.
information I had, Your Honor.
Okay.
I did send
I
an
did-
email last night, Your Honor, and she was actually in jail in Eaton County from August 2nd until the 11th.
Got it. Okay. Okay.
So if she goes and tests today, I have no issue.
Yeah. I'm going to need you to get down to community corrections today to test, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, she lives in Jackson, so I did speak with her, and because she just got out of jail, she just started back to work, and she asked if she can test tomorrow because she gets
It's like-
paid tomorrow,
That-
and she can pay
that
the
will work.
$10 for the test.
That will work. If you test
Thank
tomorrow,
you.
that will work.
Yep,
We'll do it,
I
Ms.
can
Warner.
test by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon.
All right, doing good. So I will adjourn the probable cause conference then to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right, thank
Your
you.
Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Am I good to
Court
log
does call
off?
the case. Yes, you can log off, ma'am. Court calls the
right,
case,
thank-
People versus Calvin Johnson Jr.
Ash Phelps for people. Assistant Public Defender Hannah Appletree on behalf of Mr. Johnson. You approach now. Mr. Johnson, will you state your name for the record?
Alvin Johnson, Jr.
Thank you.
This is the form for you to sign.
What are we doing?
Judge, I apologize if, Mr. Johnson and I had discussed a preliminary examination waiver, but it sounds like he has an additional question, so maybe an adjournment.
Gotcha.
So that we can discuss that.
Probable cause conference, then I will adjourn to September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. wanna wait here?
Court calls case People versus Alvin Jones.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones, who should be appearing via Zoom.
This is key. Prosecution wants to show intent. Defense will argue accident. In legal battles, intent is everything.
Okay. Alvin Jones. And there he is. You'll need to unmute, sir, and state your name. But you got to unmute. There you go.
Will you state your name for the record, Mr. Jones?
Alvin Jones.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking that this matter be set for a preliminary examination. Mr. Jones does have some transportation issues, so he's asking if the court would consider setting it out to the September 9th date, if that's available for the court, so we can secure that transportation.
Any objection from the people? Discovery is complete.
To my knowledge, yes, Judge.
All right. Witnesses would be available that date, presumably. So preliminary examination will be in person, September 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. before. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the people versus Desmond Jones.
Come on.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Desmond Jones. Your Honor, I've been trying. Oh,
Desmond Jones.
Thank you.
we haven't had the opportunity to get communication. I don't think he got my messages.
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
Okay.
He just didn't want to talk to me.
Yeah.
okay, well, he got your, message not to talk to me. So, if we can get an adjournment,
An adjournment. All right.
and I'll have to do that sheet. I'll get
I'm
it to you.
gonna, yes, you do. I'm gonna adjourn this out, but make sure to keep in contact with your attorney when they,
Okay.
Right.
All right.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Talk to you real quick.
Court calls the case people versus Nathaniel Jones.
Ashley Levy, the people.
Hannah Mackey for Mr. Jones, who is approaching. Please state your name.
Nathaniel Jones.
Your Honor, request to adjourn this matter pending negotiations.
September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue. All right. Thank you.
I have a bond request,
He's out.
bond modification for
Oh,
condition.
that you might want me to lock him up. I mean, I can do that too, but go ahead.
Your Honor, my client is trying to go to North Carolina on the 20.
Why?
What do you have? There?
Why would anybody want to go there voluntarily? Actually, I don't feel that way as much anymore, but when I'm a Maryland Terrapin, we didn't understand why anybody went to North Carolina. But see, he wants to go to North Carolina.
Yes.
Is there a reason?
Family. What was it?
Family trip was previously planned.
Family trip was previously planned. On the 29th, was it? On the 29th, Your Honor.
Just one day?
Till the 1st of September.
You don't want to stay in North Carolina at all. How long do you want to be there?
Just the weekend, over the weekend, from Friday to Monday.
The 29th to the 1st?
Yes, sir.
We can get an order. Defendant may travel to North Carolina, 29th to 1st. And I've signed that order. Okay,
Thank you,
you're
sir.
all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case people versus Cyan Jones.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Jones, who approaches. Mr. Jones, can you please state your name for the record? Jones.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we made several attempts to contact Mr. Jones.
Finally, the first witness steps up. This is where stories collide with evidence. Buckle up.
I must not have good contact information for him, so I'm just asking for a 3-week adjournment. I will get that before he leaves.
All right, fantastic. September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls case people versus Christopher Neeper.
Go ahead. Oh, just wait for me. Okay. All right.
Alvin on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender. That was a hop, and it wasn't directed towards you.
No, it was a hop. I'm kind of sensitive about that.
I understand, Your Honor.
No, you really don't. But go ahead.
There are things that I don't want to know. That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's true.
Your Honor, last time we were here, I did provide some information to Ms. Zenda with regard to Mr. Neeper going to Bear River. I have attempted to make contact with him. Last time I called him, which was again this morning, his phone was off and did not work any longer. I I advise Ms. Zenda that if I can get some paperwork for him that provides that he's at Bear River, then I would absolutely send that to her. I can also send that to the court, but at this time, I have had no contact with my client, unfortunately, and we have emailed him as well.
And Your Honor, this time I would be requesting a bench warning. He has a current outstanding violation of his bond for the case he picked up, for fraud, and I'm concerned here that defense counsel hasn't been able to get in contact with him, so I'd be requesting a bench warning at this time.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of 50,000 cash surety. However, what I'm going to do, and I'll tell you why I'm going to do it this way. I won't have that warrant issue until the 19th, 2025. Part of the reason I'm doing that is I know if you do get up to Bear River, there's a point in time where communication cannot happen.
Yes,
So,
Your Honor. Yep.
let's try to make sure that's not it.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that. And that was to issue on 9/19. Is that what?
8/19.
8/19. Thank you.
9/19.
I don't know when. I don't.
Really? A month? Oh, a month from now, we'll just figure out. We'll just send that out.
Hey, you got to try, right?
Yeah, I know. Pretty good. Court calls the case, People versus Thomas Kumasaka.
I should spell this for the people.
Actually, I missed a syllable. It's probably Kumasaka.
And Alex Warren Green on behalf of Mr. Kumasaka, Your Honor.
Really? You just did that to show me up. You gonna huff now?
I haven't.
No, go on.
Your Honor, I have not talked to Mr. Kumasaka. I'm assuming that is the pronunciation.
Oh, so you didn't know?
I don't.
You just
know.
came up and said something different.
It's what I was going with yesterday, Your Honor, and he did not answer my call. My intern had talked to him to make the Zoom request. So, Your Honor, I don't believe he's here. I'd respectfully request an adjournment. This is his first probable cause conference. We made contact once and weren't able to get a hold of him again.
He also does have a bond violation.
Yes, Your Honor, he hasn't been talking to community corrections, so I'm gonna request.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $25,000 cash surety.
Your Honor, can I confirm that the file the court has is this N0268?
The file number?
Yes.
Why?
Because
You don't have JIS and can't see it?
unfortunately, we had a duplicate file that we normally just want to make sure that the correct one is the one that got called.
Just wide ones, yes.
I know, I'm looking at the numbers. Thanks, so. Yes, it's 0268.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody stepping in? Just court calls the case, People versus Paris Lester.
Bangladesh on behalf of Mr. Lester.
You're just not having a good day, are you?
You can I'm being positive about it. I'm having a great day. We're having a good amount of laughs.
You keep that up while I
Okay.
bench warrant. No, go ahead.
I'm asking for an adjournment so that I can discuss this case with my client.
You can't find him.
No, okay.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set him at a $10,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case, People versus Amanda Lewis.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple, here I supposed to report now. Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. We are missing some video discovery. Did you get?
My services through them. They sent it.
Alan.
Did they send it too? And
The setting. Forget high-speed chases. This showdown takes place in the most American of battlegrounds, the grocery store parking lot.
Judge, my understanding is there was a bond violation report for Miss Lewis not reporting to community corrections. I called and spoke with her today. I spoke with her yesterday as well, and she informed me that she was in treatment in what county? Jackson County, participating in treatment, but that they had not set up, she had not set up for the results to be sent to community corrections. She called today. And I do have, this is verification of her at Victory Clinic services.
Yeah.
But I don't.
She's there.
She's still in treatment. She's still receiving methadone treatment from them, and participating in outpatient treatment and drug testing as part of her methadone treatment. How long have you been?
Why didn't she report to community corrections at all?
I honestly didn't know
It,
that was a part of it.
she was testing there. I saw in the notes that the court allowed her to continue to test at the arraignment phase in Jackson.
Right.
But she missed the step that she needed to sign the releases to have those tests be sent to community corrections here.
And have those releases been signed?
Yes.
When did you do that?
Today. What I have appears to show the releases, but I don't have the testing results for the court, but
They sent them.
she is reporting that they have been sent to community corrections today.
Yes.
I'll adjourn probable cause September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case, People versus Austin Lobto.
With Mr. Lobto.
Oh, there he is. Sir, state your name.
Austin Lobostal.
Your Honor, requesting to adjourn this matter, to have time to come up with a resolution.
Matter will be adjourned September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Adjourned. Bond continued. Thank you, sir.
We'll be in
Thank you.
contact, Mr.
Court calls the case, People versus Tina Magiera.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerps with and on behalf of Ms. Magiera, who's approaching. Can you please state your name for the record?
Tina Magiera.
Translation: the prosecution wasn't ready. In legal speak, that's a game changer. Case dismissed without prejudice, meaning they can refile. Did you expect that twist so soon?
Requesting an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Negotiations. Probable cause conference September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Katherine Marcoux.
And Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger appearing on behalf of Ms. Marcoux, who appears via Zoom. Ms. Marcoux, can you please state your name for the record?
Katherine Camilla Marcoux.
And Your Honor, it sounds like we do have a negotiation worked out, almost complete on this. We just need some time to submit the paperwork to court, and I want to be able to go over that with my clients. So we're just asking for a brief adjournment on this.
We'll adjourn this one to August 28th. (2025) 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Said it's not September 28th.
See, keep it up. Derek Martin.
Derek Martin.
Okay, yeah, I guess whose case it is. Mr. Martin, come on up. It'll be forever till Candy gets here. She's actually in the room. She's in the room. You're in the room and you didn't answer. What? Why are you yelling at everybody else? Don't worry about it, man.
Here we go.
You got it?
Your Honor, Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Martin, who is appearing to my right. Mr. Martin, please state your name for the record.
Derek Martin.
I couldn't find the.
Thank you, Mr. Martin.
I'm sorry, I forgot what I did with your paperwork, and then I remembered I gave it to,
Who'd you give it to?
I don't
You're gonna
want to
try to throw it under
say.
the bus.
I don't want to say.
Was
I'm
it
just asking
Chinaza?
for,
Did you give the paperwork to Chinaza?
maybe. Maybe,
Did Chinaza lose the paperwork?
like for, Your Honor, we're just asking for a 2-week adjournment of this matter. I have been in touch with the prosecutor regarding the discovery. It's my understanding the hiccup has been addressed.
So I think what the issue is that they gave us the wrong time frame on the body cam. And so I need to get back to them and say, we need a bigger portion of the body cam.
Oh, the body cam, so you get it over so then he can, okay, good enough. September 4th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Mr. Martin, thank you, sir. Despite whatever. Court calls the case, People versus Terry Maxwell.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Maxwell, who should be on Zoom, Your Honor.
Oh, Mr. Maxwell.
I'm here.
Okay, I need a camera.
Let me go 1 second. You see me?
You? Oh, now we see you. Okay, there you are. Thank you, sir. Say your name.
Terry Maxwell.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we'd like to set this matter for a preliminary examination. And
Both cases?
discoveries, yes, all discoveries complete as far as we're aware.
People have their witnesses available the 26th. Preliminary examination in person will be set August 26, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Barr. Bond will continue. All right. Those are in-person proceedings. Thank you, sir. Court calls the case, People of the State of Michigan versus Sean William Melo.
Alexander on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Sean Melo, who's making his way to the podium. Your Honor, this is the first hearing. I did talk to
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Mello about his attire.
What'd you say?
This is his first hearing. I did talk to Mr. Mello about his attire. He will be dressed appropriately at further hearings. I am asking for an adjournment for further negotiations.
Probable cause conference, September 4th, 2025. And bond continue. No, I want it. Blessing. It was, oh. Mr. Maxwell's. Yeah. Court does call the case of the People versus Anthony Miller.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mr. Miller.
Not with, Your Honor, I tried to reach Mr. Miller. The phone number I got is a random woman's phone number. She told me stop calling. This is not Mr. Miller. So I think the phone number the phone number we have on file for him is incorrect, and I was not able to reach him and to remind him of his court date.
So as you